Still answering reservation calls during dinner rush? This restaurant was too, until a chatbot changed everything. Luca, an Italian bistro owner, was losing customers to long wait times and missed calls. His team couldn't keep up with table bookings, especially on weekends. So, Luca installed a reservation chatbot on his website and Facebook page. It greeted visitors, asked how many guests, showed available times, and instantly booked tables, 24/7. In just 30 days, the bot handled over 300 reservations, reduced no-shows, and even let customers add special requests or allergies. Staff, less stressed. Customers, more loyal. With AI Chatbotter, you get a fully built reservation bot customized for your restaurant. We connect it to your website, Instagram, or Google Chat. No coding needed. Want to automate reservations like Luca? Get your free chatbot demo today. Visit aichatbotter.com or click below.